with your 2415 model here is a lot similar to your 1015. But when you attach it to your battery, it immediately gives you your voltage. Now if you click forward with it, we come into here. Now you can name your car, which is basically documenting anything you're doing with the particular vehicle or customer that you're dealing with. You can look up different customers. So a return customer, you can still have files from later dates or so. You can delete files if you lose a customer or no longer are working on the car. And then right here is your diagnosing section. We're going to go over to that. And you can pick, you can be working on a motorcycle ATV or a car, van, or semi-tractor even. The 2415 model is capable of the 12 or 24 volt systems. You go here, and now you can test your battery, starter, ground, and alternator. In order to test your starter, we would leave the two connections connected to the battery as we start, and it would read the cold cranking amps going to your battery. The alternator, we would have the car already started, and we would read the voltage going into your battery. Now the ground side, first you would connect it over here to a stud on your engine to show the ground, and then you would hook it back over here after you read the ground there on your battery, and that would give you the ground of the car and your battery to see if you're ohming out as corrected. Now for this first test, a small test we're going to give you is this. Now we're dealing with a wet battery. We'll click that. We are dealing with cold cranking amps, but it is also over here, if you look, it's 800 cold cranking amp SAE battery. So you come back over here to the machine, you click your SAE button. We're already set for 800 cold cranking amps, which just gives you a variety of options how you want to go about this. So if you had a 750 or 725, you could go down by 5 or up by 5. We're going to click forward here. It's testing your battery. Now you choose the climate that you're in. Are you in a 0 to negative 23 or 32 degree climate, or are you in a positive? We are in a positive at this moment. You click here and it shows that the battery fails. It's at 6%. It is showing 298 cold cranking amps and 12.8 volts. Which 12.8 volts is good, but your cold cranking amps are very low, which shows that your battery is very worn and should be replaced. Thank you.